change coming. The winds were swinging around. I feel the wind beckoning me to come along now. Ooh, before I get too lost in it all. And I don't want my life to be the first thing I see when I wake up. And I don't want my life to be coming from my screen with pretty pictures and makeup. And I don't want my life to be the things that I've bought and what I've sold. Ooh, adventure, here we come. I need to stop and being busy way too often and working late too much. Drawing my lines just to cross them, letting myself down, setting myself up. I need to do what's right by me. There's places I want to explore, without my hair rolling, my heartbeat getting lost in it all. And I don't want my life to be the first thing I see when I wake up. And I don't want my life to be coming from my screen with pretty pictures and makeup. And I don't want my life to be the things that I've bought and what I've sold. Ooh, adventure, here we come. But it takes time for flowers to grow, for embers to heat in a campfire.